So I'm going to start with, oh hi Debbie. I have a little bit of music in the background. It could possibly be Johan from the city centre. Right, hello everyone, it is Debbie again, and if you don't know who I am, you know who I am now. Right, so first I am wearing my house coat because, you know, it is Belfast after all, and this is what we do. We do our makeup in our house coats. Okay, so first I'm going to use a wee bit of primer and just put that all around my face. My eyebrows, I'm using the medium brown Brow This Way palette, and remember, eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, and if you really think these two eyebrows are going to look the same, then you must be off your head. Like, let's be honest. So we're going to go in with a wee bit of the bluey kind of green colour, and then I'm going to take a wee bit of green and put it around the edges because, you know, I'm trying to look somewhat Irish here with a wee bit of green in there. Then I'm going to go in with a wee bit of yellow and put that around where the edges of the green are and just blend it in. Now taking the P. Louise base and just cutting out your crease to cover all the shit that fell down in the first place. Whenever users do that, you're going to want to take a wee bit of the yellow and start patting it on. Next I'm going in with the eyeliner and just lining out my eyes. And then I'm going to do a little winged liner. Oh, that is a nice flick. Do you like that, do you? So I'm going to stick on a wee pair of lashes, and you may get your granny to light a candle for me. So these will actually sit on. Like, putting on lashes is annoying. Get this foundation on, and for me to stop looking so white. That is the problem with the Irish skin. We are just bloody white. Now I'm going to take my contour palette and my little Banjax brush, which I really need another handle for, but you know, don't throw out nothing. Now, I know some people like their makeup to be all dewy and all that, but that just does my head in, so I have to put a whole lot of powder on, which I'm doing now. Sure, a wee bit more bronzer, why not? Ew. And now I'm going on and lining my lips and putting on a little bit of lipstick because I would just be scundered leaving the house without it. So I'm going to finish with some satin spray because if it starts lashing outside, this will help keep it on. And we're in Ireland, so of course it's going to start lashing outside. Right, so that is me done, and in true Northern Ireland style, I may as well say bye about 50 times. So bye, bye.